The quickest way to fail a history source base is treating it like a comprehension. Source bases are not difficult. You just need to study for them well and make sure you're answering the questions in the right way. Okay, to learn the work efficiently, you want to read through it and then explain it back to yourself a few times until you can explain it to yourself without looking at your notes. To test if you know the work, you want to make flashcards and then work through these a few times. I don't like to do this manually. I normally use study fetch just to make it a bit quicker. Sweet. Now that you actually know the work, this is how you can use it to absolutely cook in the sources. When you get into the exam, you want to identify the 3 levels of questions. Level 1 is where you're providing evidence from the source. So here you're just quoting or taking evidence straight out of the source. You want to highlight those and get them done as quick as possible. Alright, then that leaves you with your level 2 and 3 questions. These require explaining the source with your own knowledge. This also applies to the paragraph at the end. So you want to read the question twice just so you understand it. Then I want you to jot down notes on the side of the page of points from your own knowledge that could be used to answer this question. Alright, then you want to go look in the source and find evidence to back up the points that you've written down from your own knowledge. Then in your answer, write down the evidence that you found, and then after that, write down your bullet point to sort of explain the evidence. Very important also, when you are providing evidence from the source, don't quote it directly. Write it in your own words, in brackets say which source it came from. Okay, don't quote directly.